Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, convertible soft top, traction control, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.